Hey, what's up guys? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. I wanted to show a system that we're putting in today. We kind of did a transplant for a customer. We moved from Plano out to Rockwall, Texas, and what we're doing is taking their EPSON system and we are putting it into their new home and moving their EPSON projector. They had like the 5030 from a few years back and their high contrast gray Dragonfly screen into this new room. You can see we're already kind of moving along. I should have started recording earlier, but I figured this would still be helpful for you guys to kind of see what's going on here. So what we're doing is a 5.1.2 Atmos system or 7.1, and we're running the EPSON 700 series in the front all the way across box speakers and floor standing speakers with the EPSON 1500 series T's for the surrounds and the overheads. Let me show you what we got here. So, turn some light on so you can see a little better. We have the 700 series episodes on the front. It has a really nice piano gloss black finish to it and a magnetic grille. And then we got a triple 10-inch firing sub that has the bash technology in it from EPSON. And then the 700 series center speaker. This is still a current model. Really well built speaker at a great price point. I mean, this center speaker is like $450 retail. You really just can't beat it. Really nice piano gloss black finish, as well as, you know, really well performing titanium dome tweeter. Check it out. And you can leave these grills on or off. They come included. On the back, you can see we just took these up. It has gold plated terminals. We have it bridged right now. We're just running it highs and the mids together. Grayson just took the cover off so that you guys can see the Kevlar woofer on this. This is called their triple 10 sub, and it has a woofer here, and woofer here. It gives you really nice sound dispersion throughout the space. It's a very hard-hitting sub, not gonna lie. I'm pretty impressed with the performance. Retail is, I think, $1,000. And then we had just finished putting in the rears. This is the 1500 T's bipoles. And we have these in the rear of the room. These are pre-wired. They're a little bit higher than we would like. You know, at reference, we'd want them down at ear level. But all things considered, it's still gonna sound really good. And here's the left one. And then we're gonna go ahead and pop these in. These are not wired. We're gonna get in the attic and pop in the surround left and right, and then get our screen up on the wall. I'll upload the process as we complete the work. Thanks for watching.
Hey.
Alright guys, so you can see now we have our holes cut. Grayson just did a really nice job of measuring out, as always, and making those perfectly symmetrical with the room and well balanced off the back and front side. Now we just need to hop up in the attic and get our lines ran to them, because these particular speakers were not pre-wired, which was good for placement, but not so good for labor. So we're gonna get up there and get that done. All right, we're moving right along. You can see we got our in-ceiling speaker wiring in, right there and there. And we got it ran out here down the bottom. What we did, if you guys are wondering at home, we had previously ran the HDMI and cat cable, and we just attached the speaker lines to the cat cable and pulled a little extra slack from the attic and then pulled it right up this wall with the hole that we had drilled previously. Now we just gotta put the speakers in. Check it out guys, we got all our in-ceiling speakers in. You can see our overheads for Atmos and then our rears installed. Everything's looking really clean. Grayson did an awesome job of running those up through the attic. All wires hidden. And everything's coming out down here. You can see what we did on the fronts is they have them terminating up high. And the customer has floor standing, so we just ran the line underneath the carpet between the baseboard and the carpet so that you don't see them. And then he can always utilize those later if needed. But now we just got to hook up all the devices, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, put the screen up.
There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back, to all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Okay? You feel every dimension. How's that sound?
Alright guys, we just finished this project off. Everything turned out awesome. You can see we have our 110-inch high contrast gray screen mounted here on the wall with the EPSON 5030 up there. 1080p projector the customer already owned. We moved this from his old house, as well as the fronts. We have the 700 series tower speakers from EPSON, front, left, and right. And that's paired together with the EPSON 700 series center speaker. And we're powering everything up with an Onkyo. It's a couple years old. This is the 646 7.2 channel receiver. We got a nice big EPSON. This is the triple 10-inch firing sub. And overhead for Atmos, we have the 1500 series, signature 1500 series from EPSON. And in the rear of the room, we have the 1500 in walls. These are bipoles. Really nice speaker for the money. We love EPSON, and these do come with a lifetime warranty. See, our install turned out very nicely. One thing that I would have liked is, you know, if we could have had the speakers a little lower, but this is how it's pre-wired. Overall though, the configuration is pretty spot on. Other than that, we have all its devices programmed into a universal remote. You guys know we like Pro Control. I have it right here, one button press, makes it very easy to operate. You come in there, you just hit Blu-ray, game, Roku, whatever you want, and it'll automatically turn everything on, turn it all the correct input for you. And then we have a charging cradle right here that it just slips on for easy charging and access. Well, I hope you guys found this video informative and you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe down below for more. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.